And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
A little bit patchy fog tonight and tomorrow night with thick smoke blanketing the area, especially tomorrow and into Wednesday. Smoke's not near the ground, but it's several thousand feet up. But here's the thing about it. When you have that kind of thick smoke, what it will do is warm that layer of the atmosphere and create a cap. So pollutants get trapped near the ground. It creates a little bit of a lid on its own. So we won't get higher pollutants from the smoke, but the trapping effects of the smoke effects will create higher ozone and asthma issues for you here in the coming days, and also high pollen, high grass pollen, as all this rain makes all that warm season grass grow. And then some pretty intense heat, especially next week. Even though the smoke will take several degrees off our temperature, it's still going to get hot. It's going to get very humid, but we are looking at some storms, a little smoke dependent, some storms possible late Friday, perhaps late Saturday, and then again the middle part of next week. But today, we're in fine shape other than the smoke around. The big ridge taking shape right here, big dome of heat. You see everything moving up and around this dome of heat, and it's getting hot underneath it. And right on the edge of this, there are several little clusters of storms, and we will be right on the edge for a few of those clusters of storms Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. But the wild card is all this smoke. We've got so much smoke coming in from the northwest. Greatest extent of wildfire smoke in the lower 48 since about 1988. I mean, this is all thick smoke from coast to coast. And what this does, it can interrupt storms a little bit. So that's the wild card with how many storms we get Friday, Saturday, and next Wednesday. But note the thick smoke, the dark orange here coming in tomorrow and especially on Wednesday. Closer view shows it wrapping around the ridge coming in from the northeast. This is tomorrow at 11 a.m. It'll be so much smoke, it's going to be almost a little overcast at times tomorrow, and it's the same thing on Wednesday as well, and that will cut our high temperature a little bit. So even though the big hot upper ridge will be here, the real heat will be a little bit delayed getting in here. So there's the ridge on Thursday. Here's one complex of storms that may clip us Friday. Here's the other one on Saturday. It might just clip the area. We'll watch that. And then there may be another one by next Wednesday. Again, it's right on the edge of the really intense heat. This could clip our area as well. That said, tonight we drop down into the 60s with some of that patchy fog and then smoky sunshine tomorrow. Temperature kind of leveling off with all the thick smoke coming in. 88 for the high, light northwest wind. It'll feel like about 91. Then by Wednesday, really thick smoke around, dim sun. The temperature will rise, then level off because the smoke will be thick. It'll prevent the temperature from rising a lot in the afternoon. So a high of 87, heat index at 92, not much wind around. 7-day forecast, normal high 85, smoky on Thursday with 90. Again, Friday, Saturday, watch for some storms with smoke around 91, then up to 95 degrees on Monday. Heat indices exceeding 110 at times next week.